Whoa. Whoa, 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 okay. What's up, fellow riders? So, it is cold today. It is really cold, but today we're gonna go biking. Such a nice day. I think everybody's going ice skating, but I wasn't growing up ice skating, I was growing up biking, so I'll go biking. And we're gonna try Oostvoorne today. And although Oostvoorne is probably not a good route for my new enduro bike, I just have to go and test it. So I'll go grab the enduro bike. Let's step into the darkness. Here it is. I think even in the darkness you can see it. So yeah, go enduro today, and then we'll see how it goes. But super excited. Hopefully there's gonna be still some snow there as well. I mean, here is full of snow, but I hope that there's gonna be snow as well over there. That's gonna make some pretty cool picture, because it's already Saturday and I need to put the video online tomorrow and I have absolutely nothing. So let's go make some videos. Check it out. What's it all about? We're working out. Let's turn this motherfucking party out. Check it out. What's it all about? We're working out. Let's turn this motherfucking party out. Hello. Okay, Oostvoorne, let's go. First day on the enduro. Cool. And oh, this is cool, man. Actually quite good grip, huh? Years of training, young Padawan. But on the snow it's tricky. Slippery. Oh man, I feel like I can charge with that thing. Oh what the fuck? Oh, there's a gap, man. Holy shit. That was a good one, are you okay?
I said it, they say that.
No, I didn't say it. Good. Let's go. Nice. This was frozen. Wow, okay. It is frozen. What's happening here? Are we jumping? We are jumping. Opa. No, I gotta be careful not to pump too hard, because just down here is full of ice and the lip is full of snow. So if I pump not straight, I'm gonna hit the ground. But there's only one way to know. Let's go for it. Oh, okay, that was nothing. Yeah, I mean, like, look at all those berms, man. I wonder, I can't believe that they made that by hand. There's just like too much berms. They must have had a machine. But this is really cool. Yeah. Chapeau. Chapeau, les gars. Oh putain. Whoa, sketchy. Gee. But this is cool though. Oh man, I just wish we had the flow right now. So that is really a cool piece of trail. Nice. Cool. Wow! That looks cool, man. That's gonna be drone shot. Let's go. Send it. And how special is that, huh? Biking on the snow view on the lake. The worst in life. Oh, whoa. That is a jump, I think. Oh, landing sketchy. Going up. Taking the beeline. Oh, he's still in front of me. Jumping. Sketchy corner. Oh, this is so good. Oh, you didn't double! Woo. Coming straight. Ah, good. Oh, okay, didn't fall on that one. Isn't it lovely? Nice, back to business in the woods. I love it. This is so good. I wish we had that all winter. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, whoa. So, Oostvoorne, awesome. Really cool. Much better than last time I was here. Tony, how did you find it?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Especially the fall in the beginning.
Oh man,
Put
yeah.
a good start to it.
Yeah, in the forest at the beginning there's a lot of cool features. They're building some jumps. That piece along the lake is awesome. Of course with all the ice it was a bit difficult, but oh man. You can send it so hard, seriously, it's really cool.
I think it's good to train your stability
Yeah.
because you have zero stability on the ice.
Exactly, now that was really good to actually train, you know, stability on jumps here with icy or snowy landing. But yeah, intense first real ride with it. It's a beast and I can feel that he really wants some more. So I think we're gonna have to plan some trip to France or Germany soon. As soon as we can, I guess. But yeah, anyway, super cool. If you enjoyed this beautiful video, then give it a like, and it would be awesome if you can subscribe. That really helps me. That costs you nothing and really motivates me. So anyway, otherwise I'll see you next time. Ciao.